Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add Calendly link to email signature. Okay, it's actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to your events right here under calendly.com. Now, once you're in here, just click on copy link. All right. Once it says copied, you can now go ahead and go to your emailing service. It could be Gmail or Outlook. Okay. Now, once you're in here, just click on compose or create a new email. Okay. Now go ahead and go to the bottom right here. We have insert link section. Okay. Besides attach files and insert emoji. Okay. Just click on it. Now put a text, for example, link to meeting. Like so. Now click on type or paste the link right here. Control+V. There you have it. Hit on apply. And here we have the link or the email signature. That's basically how you do it. You can now go ahead and customize your email right here. For example, subject and recipients. Go ahead and add in. Okay, and once done, just hit on send and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.